the response, then check the circulation, then check the airway, then check the breathing. So you can assess the step by one. So basically, first you got first you know that how will you assess the cardiac causes of the cardiac arrest. So first one is lack of blood supply to the heart, hypoxia, then lack of blood clots or like atherosclerosis or anything, lipid synthesis formation. Then next one is lack of oxygen supply to the heart, hypoxia. Third one is any electrical interrupt to the heart. So heart electrical impulse is anything interrupt to heart chambers or like SaO2, some conductive systems. Okay. Okay. So first is scene safe. Because of scene safe means to follow the two guidance. So first one is our safe with patient safe. So our safe means wearing the PPEs, glove, mask, apron, anything are our personal protective equipments. Then patient safety is like a patient safe because of the suddenly collapse to the patient on road or reception, anything patient your side or bed. Say wherever the collapsing is that which place was you noted, then only shift the patient the appropriate position because of see he was collapsing in the reception, so we can't do the like he want to oxygen more or medication blood system more or water. So first we quickly shift the patient to emergency or triage or first aid center. First of the patient. So next patient safety. So since safe means two things. First one is your safe, then the patient safe. Okay, yourself there is the personal protective equipment. So then check the response. So how will check the response? Two type. Shake and shout. First one is so that sir are you okay? Sir are you okay? You call patient name or sir. Tape and shout 3 times. Sir are you okay? Sir are you okay? Sir are you okay? So then on the shake. Sir are you okay? Sir are you okay? Sir are you okay? 3 times you call. So nearby the patient here because of he was collapsing. So, you know the circulation or impulses are very less than that time. You know that that time circulation very poor. So she was collapsing that time near just to tell the to call the response. So near to the patient here. Near you call the patient name, sir. So you know the patient name. You directly call the patient name. So next one is assess the circulation. So circulation assess you are assess the carotid pulse. So carotid pulse means here. So Adams will. So Adams will to half inches here. You check the carotid pulse. That time you use the 2 finger or 3 finger. That checks. So the timing not more than 10 seconds, not less than 5 seconds. So example. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds. So to check the pulse, if anything is to feel pulse, okay. So no pulse, patient will definitely confirm the cardiac arrest. Then you start the CPR. So CPR position is center of the chest. So first place the dominant hand, then place the opposite hand. So elbow make it straight. So don't bend elbow, make it straight. So only move only shoulder. Your shoulder don't move the total full body. So example. So there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So totally 30 compression to breathe. But totally give the 5 cycle or per rate 100 to 120 compression per minute. Ratio 30:2. So 30 compression to breathe. So this is called arm bag, arm ball mask. So 30 compression, 2 breathe. So when you do breathing time, that time you could open the airway. So that method is airway method is head tilt, chin lift, like this.
Just see that exact the position, how you can give the airway clearance and give the amp bag.
See this.
Sir, voice is not coming.
Yeah. Now, please. You guys.
Okay. So first one is scene safe with our safe. So scene safe is our safe with the patient safe. Next check the response. If the no response, patient is absent. Next go to CAP assessment. Actually 2015 guidelines CAP is airway breathing circulation. So nowadays 2019 changed CAP circulation airway breathing. So these all things just to assess the within 30 seconds. Because of less than 30 seconds to delay, patient going to hypoxia. Okay, so don't delay that. You full form assess like that. Scene safe to breathing. So totally assess that this also less than 30 seconds. Okay. So next one is so the airway the airway technique C technique do not do the like RTA cases or history of fall because already patients having the history of fall accident means spinal injury is there. So then again, so like do that head tilt chin lift again worsening of the so going to complicated. So then RTA cases are for history of fall that cases do not do the head tilt chin lift method. So that time use the jaw thrust. So jaw thrust. Just to place the two hand patient chin with last 3 finger lift the mandible one only. Like this.
Jaw thrust method.
Jaw thrust method.
I think every paramedic is understand the jaw thrust method, how it has we have to perform. You can see the demonstration, we have to place the finger like this. So without changing the spine angle. I think everyone understand, right?
So like just call.
Yeah.
So only lift the mandible, so neck will be straight. Don't move the neck. Then you connect the oxygen or ambo. Like
this has to be parallelly, we have to done the amp bag and also jaw thrust manner.
Okay. So next, breathing.
They are not going to handle the RTA patient in the roadside, but they can receive the RTA patients. For stabilization RTA patient, you just
Okay. So when you receive the RTA patient, so first point out, first thing is you do the six-pen immobilization, like this. First of all, six-pen immobilization, then do not speak the patient below the head, like this.
So we have to hold the hold the shoulder very near to the neck, both sides, and that head has to be very close to that your both arms. Okay. This is the spine position.
Okay, adult is over, then pediatric. You have doubts?
Okay. In this thing, can you please, any doubt is there? Can you please ask? Because we just move on to pediatric one for this CPR. Team?
So, summarize once.
Yeah, once again, our brother will summarize that from starting onwards, then you can. Yeah, 1 minute.
First thing is scene safe, ourselves. Ourselves with patient safe, then when they check the response.
Mic is there. You have to.
Okay. Then check the response. Response two things. Shake the patient or shout the patient. So nearby the patient ear. Then assess the circulation. So how circulation where will assess? Check the carotid pulse. So Adam's ability. Adam's ability off inches. So carotid pulse here. That time use the 2 finger or 3 finger. Do not use your thumb finger. Sometimes our pulse is felt. Not use thumb finger. So time is not more than 10 seconds, not less than 5 seconds. So check the within or 8 seconds or 9 seconds. So theoretically. So then start the CPR. So carotid pulse is when will you stop? When you stop, then you will start the CPR. So CPR technique. Center of the chest, patient position, like, sorry, I forgot to think. Center of the chest, patient position. So inches, adult is step 2.5 inches or 5 centimeter depth, adequate depth. So each compression should match the chest recoil. Because our circulation, you know that heart pumping. So relaxation, contraction, contraction. So circulation. So like a CPR, so manually restart the heart. So like to do the CPR, the time, every compression watch the chest recoil like this. 1, 2, 3. So up and down, chest will be raised. So you do not do the full fast. Do not do the fast, then do not do the slow. So just you give the generally or within seconds. So most of the time each compression watch the chest recoil. Okay. Then totally you give the 5 cycle. So each cycle 30 compression, 2 breathe. Totally give the 5 cycle. So around time in 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just to change the persons. CPR rate 100 to 120 compression per minute. CPR per minute 100 to 120 compression. Ratio 30:2. Okay. Get out.
How to check the CAB, sir? Can you show? CAB.
Sorry?
Breathing within 10 seconds.
Sorry.
Within 10 seconds, how we check the
10
circulation?
seconds, we need to check the CAB.
Check the pulse.
Breathing.
Yeah, Naresh?
It is right.
Yeah, within 10 seconds, we have to check
The carotid pulse.
check the carotid pulse, whether we have able to swivel the pulse or not. That's enough. If a pulse is there, then it's fine. If there is no pulse, the circulation is absent. That is what the main goal here.
Breathing also options. No pulse, breathing also option.
So a regular pulse checking is 1 minute as per the record. But here that emergency situation, the carotid pulse is checking for only the patient is alive or not. We have to check the pulse is feeble or not. If the pulse is feeble, we can go ahead for the next item.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, others?
So here we will.
Naresh, we can't audible. Naresh, we didn't audible.
Is this okay now? Is this okay now?
Yeah, yeah.
So due to technical issues, some people haven't joined. They have late. They have joined lately. So if they have any issue, they'll come up. Okay, they'll ask.
Let them come up or let them call personally to me, so I will explain to them. No issues. Go with the next period.
Okay, one more thing. So sometimes just to check the pulse is filled. So on that time check the. So on the meantime check the respiration also. The pulse is craving because of no circulation between the heart. Your heart pumping is very slow. Then we'll patient first you go arrest of the pulmonary arrest, then go to the cardiac arrest.
Yeah. So actually, first the pulmonary arrest, that means chest breathing is going to arrest now. First, then only the circulation is going to arrest.
So after 30 seconds.
After 30 seconds only the circulation is going to arrest. So obviously that respiration, pulse is there. Then we can go ahead for the whether the patient having respiration or not. If it is pulse is absent, blankly you can go ahead with the CPR. That means CPR and airway clearance. If the pulse is there, then you have to observe for the chest level compression.
Scanning. Look at the patient's chest. So are scanning the patient's chest around like up down. So breathings are there, just like that.
So you can able to see the breathing level, whether able to lungs is expanding or not. You can able to observe from the chest level.
So sometimes it's difficult to find the chest. Definitely was the abdomen.
Abdomen, gasping.
Gasping. Okay. So then you connect the oxygen or ammonium with kind of 50-liter water. So like this. You connect the water tubing where directly connect the ammonium like this. So that time also you do the head in left air opening. It's most important.
Because of field, I have one question. If there is a O2 is not available, we can directly go with the AMPU without oxygen supply tube, without oxygen cylinder support.
Okay.
We can go with the AMPU bag.
Yeah, directly go with it. 90% choice will be delivered. So without you.
Yeah. No. Last piece.
It's just mouth to mouth.
So a team actually with
With normal 3 liter, 2 liter totally. 50 liter with oxygen now you use 50 liter.
So without oxygen cylinder connecting, also we can able to do the AMPU bag. It is already having 100 liters of O2, right? 2000 liters. 2000
Liter.
2000 liters of O2. So when we are because you don't hesitate, there is no oxygen. So I'm not able to give the AMPU bag. Without oxygen also, this AMPU bag will be helpful for life-saving situation. Okay, for pressing 2000 liters of O2.
Okay. Okay, then we move to pediatric.
Period. Yeah, please.
If, sorry, team, if you have any issue or else you didn't understand anything, please ask here only.
You can.
So pediatric. So pediatric we can separate the three categories. So first one is newborn, infant, and child. So newborns is 0 to 28 days. Newborns, then infant 1 month to 1 year. Then child moreover more than 5. So like CPR categories. So basically you can start the care. So according to the patient weight. So pediatric patient weight. So first this is basic same tips or BLS systems. So first one is seed safe, tower safe with baby safe. Then this is a newborn, 1 month baby. So next one is assess the circulation. So to check the baby brachial pulse, this pulse. Okay, this pulse. So same second, like the 2 or 3 finger, so just to feel that, like in between. Suppose maximum baby having pulse. If it is pulse is having, that time check the less than 60, check the per minute. So if you check the pulse, that time pulse is having, but pulse is having, that time you check the 1 minute. But less than 60, then you start the CPR. So pulse is option, that time you also start CPR. But less than 60, that time you also start CPR. Okay. So then response is takes place is one is patient forehead, baby forehead or chest or heel 3 times. Baby are okay, so like this. So adult shake and shout, baby are shake and shout, same things, but position change it. Like patient chest, forehead or heel 3 times step. So then check the pulse. Okay. So after that, if you confirm, if you have any doubt, then check the if pulse is felt and you're having some doubts, at meantime you assess the respiration. Same things like this. Patient go to the patient chest near. Sorry, baby chest near. Just look, scan the pressure chest. The chest rise or not? If chest rise, breathing is present. So this not rise, breathing is absent. Like this. Just to confirm that. If you have any doubt, just to confirm that. Then to start the CPR. The newborn type like a 2 finger method, thumb finger method, like this. So newborn, 1 month baby, okay. 3 compression, 1 breath. 1, 2, 3. 3 compression, 1 breath. So newborn. So newborn inches, 1.5 inches or 4 centimeter depth. 3 compression, 2 centimeter continue.
The compression according to newborn baby weight. Compressions according to newborn baby weight, we have to take
around 1.5 kg, 2 kg.
below 1 kg.
Below 1 kg. Whether below 2.5 kg.
Okay.
It's a normal gauge 2.5 to 3. So 2.5 kg.
So it is not supposed to be. We did not take take in the hands now newborn below 2 kgs.
Sorry, but
No, he is not supposed to take the baby in the hand. Na? Actually, for demonstration purpose, they are holding the dummy in the hand. Otherwise, they can place the table only. Don't worry.
so one more thing. So like நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணும் சிகார் விடும்போது புஷ் பண்ணிரும். Hips ஈஸியா broken ஆயிடும்.
Yes. So அப்படினா நம்ம சப்போர்ட்டுக்கு பெட்ல வச்சு
just support வச்சிட்டு so like this இப்படி தான் நம்ம கொடுக்கணும்.
Yes.
So
actually for demonstration only they can hold that baby manicure in the hand. Otherwise they can place it bed or whatever it is. But for supporting of our hand also in back side, because it's easily break the spine by compressing while doing the compressing.
So 3 compression, 1 breath. Like this. So airway opening is a newborn pediatric airway method, neutral. Like neutral type. Make it straight, airway method. So don't do the head tilt chin lift because of easily broke the having green stick bone easily broken to the bones. So handle generally like this. So do not up, not down, like the neutral position, like this. 3 compression, 1 breath in newborn. Then this time also to watch the chest recoil. So each compression just to watch the chest recoil. 1, 2, 3. This is chest recoil. So this is newborn. Next, infant. So infant like a same method. So since a power step, then also check the response. Baby are okay for forehead or chest or heel. Baby are okay. Check the response. Then assess the Circulation. Circulation also the same question now, like this. Brachial pulse. So the infant also sometimes having pulse now, then like to check the 1 minute. So 1 minute less than 60, that time also start CPR. So more than 60 because of newborn normal heart rate 140 to 160. So infant 120 to 140. So normal heart rate. So less than 60 is very high low. So that time you start the CPR. Like infant is a CPR method, 2-finger method. So same like as sometimes you having cardiac arrest or not, CPR doubt, that time versus the respiration, breathing also. To definitely heart will be arrest, breathing also absent. Okay. So CPR type 2-finger method, like same center of the chest. So your 2 finger like this. So finger not bend, so finger like a straight, like this. So 15 compression, 2 breathe, infant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 compression, 2 breathe. Like this, neutral position. Not bend the head, like neutral. So each breath, you giving each breath at the time, what's the chest raise, like this. See the mandala solid. Like this. Just watch the chest raise.
So each breath you can see clearly that chest is rising for the infant.
Okay. So next, like child. Okay. So same child also same scenario. So around 8 years or 10 years. So then check the sensor ourselves. Then check the response. Same like now. Take one shout or chest or forehead. Then assess the pulse. So child will check the pulse. So where will check the pulse? Means child check the femoral pulse. Like this. So which was femoral pulse. So newborn infant also same thing, same pulse only, brachial, but child is different. You check the brachial pulse. So the time pulse is absent or not. So how it is absent, start CPR like this. So same second, 2 or 3 finger. So like this checks. That time also time same time. So not more than 10 seconds, not less than 5 seconds. So example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sir, voice cut అయింది.
Yeah.
Like this. So only one method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So suppose child is 2 category. Single rescue, double rescue. Single rescue means one person is there. So one person you only do that type 15 is 15 compression with the 2 breathe. Sometimes some more person, two members doing that. That time 30 compression, 2 breathe. Okay, like this. Same method. So single person means 30 compression, 2 breathe. Double rescue means 15 compression, 2 breathe. Same method. Like this. Okay. So same second. Rate will be around 100 to 120 compression per minute. So ratio child single means 30 compression, 2 breathe. Double rescue means 15 compression, 2 breathe. Child only. Okay. So continue to start the after still continuous start CPR the 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, you change the person. Okay. Then I will explain the AID machine. Choking. 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 So one more causes is there. So already first I explained the 3 causes. So lack of blood supply, so atherosclerotic forming, then lack of oxygen. Third one is any electrical interval to the heart. So again one is choking. You know that. So any foreign body or a foreign body food particle substitute the tracheal. So tracheal bone. So that so that time the patient can't do the breathe or can't do the breathe. So that time will be patient will go to the pulmonary arrest, then go to the cardiac arrest. Okay. So this type also one more major causes. So like that type, if patient having choking, the universal sign like this. So patient can cover the patient neck like this. So like this. So if you find out the patient having choking or just to ask the history, so colleagues, somebody, patient anything, just ask the history, then you find out the choking. So first treatment is to tell the cough, to try the vigorous cough. If he is doing, so just to tell the, so try to the vigorous cough. Otherwise, he can't do that cough or anything. He wants to speak. So then the patient is conscious. He is conscious, but he can't cough with speak. So then I do the only one method, Helmholtz maneuver, like this. So you know the diaphragmatic muscles that place the dominant hand, then so lock the another hand, just interlock, just push the 3 step like this. 1, 2, 3. So continue to do the 3 step. Okay, that time the meantime you assess the patient response. If it will be he was response, that time to the Helmholtz maneuver. So in meantime, because of the some food particles or foreign bodies, it is movable. Sometimes block the hole. Sometimes block half of it will be blocked. Sometimes his response it will be closed fully. So he was going to unresponsive. So it will be it will do it that time. It will be unresponsive that time. That is the corticals. So that time also is going cardiac arrest. Okay. So this is adult. Next video. So then pediatric. So babies also choking is recurrently. So just confirm the history is choking. So ask the mothers or colleagues. Everybody ask. Then don't do the. If it will don't try the take it out, because you if you try to take the mouth, then you push the particles. Then it will be place the tracheal bone. It will be difficult to manage our treatment because tracheal will be very small one. So do not do the push the do not take the mouth. So babies Helmholtz maneuver like method like this. Just hold the baby's head. First do the front head, then back like this. So like this. 1, 2, 3. First front, then back. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 slabs. Front 5, then back 5. So okay, straight out.
Any doubt here you are having for regarding this choking method? So everybody has to be attend the defibrillator classes earlier from the company team. So you have to know about the rhythm. What are the rhythms? And the rhythms has to be shared by Sinju in tomorrow. So they will explain what are the rhythms, for what are the purpose they have to do with the what are the rhythms, what is the next step, and what are the indications to do that CPR after doing seeing the rhythm.
So advanced cardiac epilepsy, that time we use life means so we are giving CPR, that time we use the cardiac monitor. So assess the patient rhythms. So already I told that, so any electrical interpret to the heart, that one cause. Just rhythm மட்டும் தான் சொல்லுங்க.
Rhythm காட்ட முடியாதுல, focus
தெரியுமா?
Let's check that.
So two rhythms, shock of rhythm. So one more is ventricular fibrillation. So one more thing, pulseless ventricular tachycardia. So two rhythms. That two rhythms only shock of rhythm.
So you can able to see that defibrillator, right? Clearly.
Like this.
Okay, I can show the rhythm just closer manner. So you can see that there is a rhythm is there. You can.
It's like the Bisari complex, like Bisar waves. You know that Bisar waves. This is called VF, ventricular fibrillation.
Yeah. No. We will share this rhythm to them. Okay. Just write is what are the rhythms it is.
VF, ventricular fibrillation.
So during this ventricular fibrillation, what is the next step they want to do?
And just explain the rhythm மட்டும் சொல்லிடுறேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றேன். So this is ventricular fibrillation. So one more is ventricular tachycardia. Pulseless ventricular tachycardia, VT. So these two things are that already I told that that will cause us any electrical interrupt to the heart. So these two things are shockable rhythm. Like this. Slowly put us to it. So ventricular tachycardia. So option only for ventricular only for active. So no, this just see the rhythms. So no P wave. So QRS will be. So no P waves. QRS will be broad. Only two rhythms are shock of rhythm. First one is the VF. the rhythm like a Bishari complex. So no P and QRS complex activities to find out. So only the Bishari complex. Heart will be moreover than just like the more electrical activity. Like is pumping the like very high. That way you can't identify the P1 QRS complexes. First things VF. So this is ventricular tachycardia. So only ventricle will be activated. So that time you see the rhythms. So do not identify. You can't find the P waves. You find the only for QRS. That QRS also broad QRS. Heart rate will be more than 200. So ventricular heart rate will be more than 200. Like this.
Yeah, just give it.
Okay. Ventricular tachycardia. The two things is a shock of rhythm. So once I explain. So one is ventricular fibrillation, then is ventricular tachycardia. So ventricular fibrillation like the Bishar waves, you can't find out the P and QRS complex. So next one is ventricular tachycardia. So the next ventricular tachycardia. So ventricle only activated. So cardiac impulses only spread to the ventricle. So like AV node, but you know the Padla. So impulses spread to the AV node to Purkinje's bypass. So only ventricular only activated. So that time you can't find out the P wave. Okay, this two things is shock of rhythm. Okay, so then suppose you have
Now they are going to share the rhythm in the screen. You just further go with the other things, please.
so this two things madam shock of rhythm.
Okay.
Idunda madam shock kodu.
Okay. So the rhythm is going to share in the screen now. So this is the only two rhythms they are going to give the shock for the patient. If the patient having these two rhythm, only is pulseless VF, and another one is ventricular tachycardia.
See இது இந்த இது தாங்க கொஞ்சம் ஆம்பிளிட்யூட் லென்த் பண்ணி தரேன் ப்ளே பண்ணி காமிக்கிறது ஈஸியா இது ventricular fibrillation தான்
VF.
ஏன்னா வேற இந்த இதை வந்து நம்ம ஷாக் கொடுக்க போறது இது ரெண்டு மட்டும் தான்.
Okay. VF. Vinod, can you please share the image to the projector? பார்த்த அந்த இமேஜ் சொல்லுங்க. Explain.
This is a ventricular fibrillation. Just to see the rhythms. So ventricular fibrillation. So this is like these waves like say electrical waves like the Bishari complex. Okay, only for the Bishar waves. Do not you can't find the AP waves or QRS complex anything. It can't be like the pumping is very high. You can't find out the waves. Okay, this is a shock of rhythm. Suppose you have a monitor, you connect the monitor. So rhythm shows rhythm monitor show this rhythm. That time you do that, definitely give the shock. Don't delay for that. So example.
Show the next images.
Okay.
So Vinod, can you please show the another image? Vinod, next image, please. Can you zoom in little bit?
Okay. This is the ventricular tachycardia. So ventricle only activated. So atrial full collapsed. So ventricular tachycardia. So that see the rhythms. No P waves. Only QRS only there. You know that P and QRS complex. The ECC full waves. Then you see the waves. No PRS, no PVX, QRS only have, but QRS also broad. No unidentified P wave, but QRS will be broad. Heart rate more than 200. Okay. So suppose connect the monitor. This connect the monitor. You see that this rhythm that will check the counter pulse because pulseless ventricular tachycardia only the shock rhythm. So not pulse tachycardia. Okay. You show that this rhythm ventricular tachycardia. That time you check the pulse. Pulseless electrical activity only the shock rhythm. Got it? Okay. So next we'll go for the further treat.
Okay, Vinod, you can close the screen share. No, you can close the screen share.
You just demo mode. Now BLS is going on.
Vinod, you can close the. Thank you.
So CPR is going on. I place the suppose I connect the monitors. So connect the monitor. So CPR is going on. So connect the monitor. Sorry, connect the leads. Then on. This is a knob. You know that this is a knob. Then monitor on. See what point here. So leads are also connected. So monitor on. That time stop CPR. So stop CPR. So analyze the rhythm. So analyze rhythm.
You can explain. Okay.
So analyze the rhythm. Is rhythm will be a shock rhythm. So we need to do the shock immediately. Shock rhythm. This is shock rhythm. VF. So need to do the shock. First one is select the joules. So maximum 200. So maximum 200. So suppose we are having extra joules, you can select it. Maximum 200. Okay. Then take the pedals. So apply the jelly. Place the pedals. So place the pedals. First one is right side mid clavicle 2 and 3rd intercostal space. Next one is left side mid axillary 5th and 6th intercostal space. Like this. Then press the charge button. This is the charge button. White button. This is charge button. Then press the charge button. Look at the monitor. Okay. Charge it. Then give the shock. Press the both sides like this. Shock delivered. Then start receiving CPR.
Immediately after shock delivered, you have to resume the CPR.
So CPR. Continue 2 minutes. So continue 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, reassess the rhythms. 1 minute. So continue CPR. So after 2 minutes, start CPR. So analyze the rhythm. You check the rhythm. So again VT or VF. So for ventricular fibrillation, then you do the shock or ventricular tachycardia. So pulseless ventricular tachycardia, that time do the shock. So otherwise, one more rhythm like air systole, pulseless electrical activity. So having patients having only electrical activity but no pulse, pulseless electrical activity. That the two rhythms suppose having, that time only do the CPR only. Don't do the shock. Okay. So what I explained? Yes,
explain the paddles, how we can keep them.
So CPR is going on, connect the monitor, CPR is going on, connect the monitor, then connect the monitor of the connect the monitor, then stop CPR, so analyze the rhythm. So it is a shockable or non-shockable analyze. It is a shockable, so stop CPR, take the paddles, sorry, first select the joules, maximum 200, then take the paddles, so apply the jelly, to place the paddles. Okay, place the paddles, then press the charge button, press charge it. So while giving shock, that time just you explain the clears. So because of shock diameter more or less or high, just tell the I clear, you clear, everyone clear. So don't touch the patients, everybody. Then press the shock button. To say both sides will be pressed. So after shock, resume CPR. I can start CPR. So suppose no rhythm எடுத்து so A system P. So அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணுங்க?
நீங்க எடுத்து நான் அங்க
So drugs in meal time drugs னு சொல்லுங்க. So meal time the A system. So anything any rhythm will be. We start CPR. First drugs is adrenaline. Every 3 to 5 minutes we give the 1 in 10,000 ratio adrenaline. The loading நான் சொன்னது.
கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க.
Okay. 1 in 10,000. 1 ml adrenaline with 9 ml normal saline or NS. 1 in 10,000 ratio. You can give the 3 to 5 minutes. Even giving the scenario for CPR time, every 3 to 5 minutes you can give the adrenaline. Then after that as cardrons, sorry, like anti-arrhythmic drugs. After that shock, you give the cardrons 300 mg bolus. Cardron 300 mg bolus after third shock. Then again second dose after fifth shock. So continue CPR, shock, first just note the shock. First shock, okay, then 2 minutes CPR, then shock. So after third shock, first dose give 300 mg, then after fifth shock, give the 150 mg. So again continue patients giving shock after that, continue give the shock only, shock. Continue again, I have experience lot 14 shock, 20 shock, can do that. Only for shock only. Okay. So the beat time is 3 to 5 minutes. You could repeatedly give the adrenaline. Okay. So rhythm just explain the non-shockable rhythm.
The patient is sick and the patient is non-responsive. So that time you have to perform CPR, but you have to do that shockable or non-shockable. That after that seeing that rhythm, then only you have to decide. But you can perform the CPR. CPR is a cardiac arrest cases. You can perform the CPR anytime. Vinod, one more image they are sending. Please share that image also. So after giving that injection adrenaline also, there is some electrical activity that happens in our heart. So, but we are thinking it is a rhythm, but it is not a rhythm. It's only electrical activity. It's induced by that machine, that means defibrillator, or inside a body by the electrical method. So that is not looks like heart rhythm. So once that kind of image also, not this. Vinod, not this image. Please wait. Sinju will share the image, new image. Vinod, you can close this image, Vinod. Sinju will. Which? that rhythm has some electrical activity in that monitor. It's called pulse electrical activity, pulseless electrical activity. So, Vinod, you can share that what Shinju sent now recently. Everybody knows this is a flatline rhythm. You can see the flatline rhythm, what we can take it in lead 2 is exact rhythm for the patient confirmation. So you can explain please.
This is a systole. It's a flat line. One was called flat line A systole. So this time only do the CPR. So continues to do the CPR. So every 2 minutes just to stop CPR, check the pulse, and to check the rhythms. That time you can with the flat line, then I can start the only do the CPR only. The time only you use the drug only the adrenaline only 3 to 5 minutes every 3 to 5 minutes only 10,000 ratio you can give. So only continue CPR only treatment. So then no rhythms.
Yeah, I'm sending. You just carry. You know, I'm sending another rhythm. You can download from my message.
So this is a non-shockable. Do not give the shock. This is only for CPR. CPR with adrenaline. So that only enough.
So only the medicine, adrenaline, and the CPR must has to continue for some time. What is the time exactly we have to
Exactly.
close?
Comorbidities patients are 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So in the 20 minutes, we have a completing of 10 cycles.
10 cycles.
So we have to complete the 10 cycles of CPR and medicines of 10 cycle every 3 minutes.
Sir, patient would down times. If it collapse within 10 minutes, you find out now you can do 20 minutes or more 30 minutes now. You can't do that because of brain will be dead within 30 seconds, so 3 to 5 minutes. So brains are no supply to the brain. So brain cells are irreversible cells. Once you had collapse, so once it's death now, so then you can't revert the brain.
Vinod.
Yeah, Chairman.
Yeah, I'm sending another image. Can you please download that image and show it?
Yeah, this is the last image. I got it.
No. I'm sending. I'm sent to you. Please check it.
This is only I'm sharing right now.
No, he is sharing now. He will share with you. He is sharing.
Yeah.
This is also. So it is a pulseless electrical activity. So basically, some electrical impulse is there, but no pulse. That time also check the pulse. Especially is having no pulse, but some electrical activity is there. So this rhythm also said so like a system. So treatment only like do the CPR with the adrenaline. Same things. While giving the CPR after 2 minutes to stop the CPR, analyze the rhythm, just monitor this rhythm. So that time we check the patient pulse. If we just check the pulse but no pulse, monitor showing this rhythm. This is called pulseless electrical activity. So this also non-shockable rhythm. So
Mute yourself.
Also this time to also start the continuous CPR with adrenaline. Every 3 to 5 minutes, give the adrenaline, then give the start the continuous CPR.
Vinod, kindly mute yourself, Vinod. Yeah.
Okay. So every cycle or like every 2 minutes, definitely change the rhythms. First 2 minutes start the CPR. So after 2 minutes, just to stop the CPR to just check the See the monitor. Monitor shows the AS installed. After 2 minutes, you stop the CPR. Just see the monitors. Monitor will be, like the rhythm will be changed. VF ventricular fibrillation. That time you give the shock. After 2 minutes, you check the stop the CPR just to analyze the rhythm. So which rhythm? Is it shockable or non-shockable? Just show the monitor. It is a shockable means 2 rhythms: ventricular fibrillation or pulses ventricular tachypnea. So 2 rhythms having the time give the CPR. Or then otherwise just monitor shows the non-shockable rhythm or asystole, like asystole pulses ventricular activity. That time only give the CPR only, not give the shock. Okay. So suppose drugs will be the cardron and adrenaline. 2 drugs will be used. So adrenaline every 3 to 5 minutes. You start CPR when will be IV access is there. That time can we give the adrenaline every 3 to 5 minutes to give the adrenaline. So all the everything is cardron drugs will be after 3rd shock and after 5th shock. So you after 3rd and after 5th shock. First of after 3rd shock 300 mg. After 5th shock 150 mg. Again continue. After 2 minutes, continue check the rhythms. Again, shockable, continue with the shock only.
Shock and CPR only.
Shock and CPR. Okay, send out.
So, team, can you please ask any queries or any doubts and any thing you have to face and discuss with them, please?
Sir, any guidelines changed between 2019-20, 2018 or 20?
Sorry?
CPR guidelines, any guidelines changed in 2020?
Yes, 2019 there is a guideline change. 2020 also there is a guideline change. There is not big difference between 2019 and 20. So same, both are same.
Same, yeah.
But 2013 guidelines compared to 2019, there is a slight changes will be there.
Okay, sir. Only compressions is changed, 2015 to 19.
No.
To assess
No.
that.
Assessment is it's a
Calculation.
change.
So first one is 2000.
Take the chance.
No problem.
No. You need some comfortable. They are asking many questions. Yeah.
So to 2019 means ABC, airway, breathing, circulation. First you assess the airway. So then assess the breathing. So last one is assess the circulation. So time delayed because of less. So less than 30 seconds we can't you can't breathe, but the circulation will be less than but heart will be, so pumping will be less. Then circulation will be collapsed or other vital organs like brain. So brain blood do not into the blood do not circulate the 1 to 3 minutes. The brain automatically brain going to the death. So once brain death, one brain got death, you can't do the anything. You can't revert it. So it's a irreversible sense. That's why time delayed. So changes circulation, airway, breathing. So directly go to check the response, then check the pulse. So pulse is absent, so heart will be arrested. Let us start CPR.
Yeah, any other? So I asked Dr. Dawapalli sir, HOD of our emergency, to share that BCLA guidelines to everybody. Don't worry. Anybody? Kamalji from Kanika, from Ramakundam, Vindhyachal. Kanika? No, we are not clear your voice. What is that? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, tell me. We are audible. Tell me.
That the language barrier is there with the NTPC staff. So we need this recording to share with them personally at the local level so that we can translate it into Odia and demonstrate them.
Okay, that's great. And also it will be shared. Don't worry, Kamalji, with you.
Sir, can you coordinate with the Bhuneshwar Apollo?
That we can discuss one on one. Any other clinical queries? Team, our paramedics. I want to see all our paramedics, please. Can you please open your screen and ask any relevant doubts? From Vindhyachal, anybody is there?
जो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है वो पूरा जाता है ना पूरा वो लोग कोई साइड हो जाता है ये नरेश नरेश अपना कोऑर्डिनेटर
Okay, thank you for all the teams to participate in this training. If any queries, please write to come back to me. I will rectify it with the help of this same team. This refreshment training has to be happen every 6 months. Every 6 months you will be get this BLS and ACLS refreshment training. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.